Meaning of ethnographer.
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 Ethnographer. An ethnographer is a social scientist who studies and analyzes the customs, cultures, and social dynamics of various groups of people. They conduct fieldwork and observe the behavior, beliefs, and practices of a particular community or society. Ethnographers often use qualitative research methods such as participant observation, interviews, and surveys to collect data and generate insights into the everyday lives of the people they study. Their work can help to enhance cross-cultural understanding and inform policy and decision-making in various fields, including anthropology, sociology, education, and healthcare.